I can't believe we're already on the 10th video of this series. Since this is the last video in this particular series, I brought back some of my favorites. For breakfast, we're going to have a spinach triple berry smoothie. For the morning snack, we're going to have cucumber and turkey roll-ups. For the afternoon snack, we're going to have celery and peanut butter. For lunch, we're going to have stuffed bell peppers. And for dinner, we're going to have jerk chicken with roasted veggies. Let's get cooking. Okay, that was week 10 of our 10-week series. I've had such a blast coming up with these menus and figuring out how to make them and, presenting them to all of you. And I hope that you've had as much luck as I have. I can't tell you how much it means. I know I've said it before, but to be able to go through the week and just know we have nutritious meals ready, easy to assemble, and we don't have to worry about running to the store, cooking if we're tired, cleaning if we're tired. We just have to pull it together. So that has been the biggest benefit. The other side benefit is this week, well, for week 9, because I just finished eating week 9, I had my biggest week ever and I lost 3.2 pounds. So that means I hit my goal of 20 pounds within the 10 weeks. So I'm so excited and, super proud of the progress that I've made, and I've enjoyed every meal along the way. So what I'm going to do next week is, obviously I'm going to eat this week's meals I just meal prepped, but I think I'm going to do a tips and tricks, some of the things to really help make sure somebody's a beginner or, new to meal prepping, how to make it easier. And I might share what some of my favorite recipes through the series were, and, just kind of wrap everything up. And so look forward to that video next week or maybe the week after. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. And like I've mentioned before, if you can hit the like button and share this with anybody you think would benefit, I'd appreciate it. As a small YouTuber, it really helps me get the word out and share all the information that we have here. So anyhow, see you on the channel. Bye.